What up? It's your boy Malacio, man. Wiz Constrictors in the building again. It's been a minute since the last video. I ain't got no babies, no hatchlings, nothing like that for about another month. I got the last clutch of 2020 in the incubator. Head clown to head clown, so hopefully we get some visuals. This video though, I'm gonna show you some hatchlings that I decided to hold back and a couple new pickups that I got from a nice local breeder, man, who got some heat, some upcoming breeder out here, man, who doing big things. So that being said, let's get into this. Kick that intro. Alright, so the first little pickup that I didn't get to show off is this girl right here. And you're probably thinking, oh, what's so special about that? Well, this girl is a double het, and that's double het for ghost and clown. And I got this girl from Poker Pythons. I don't think they got Instagram, but I know they on Facebook. So go check them out, give them a follow. I picked up two girls from them. This one's a female, like I said, 100% het clown. 100% had ghost, so I got some ghost clowns coming in the future. You know what I mean? Look at that head stamp. Yeah, nice little clean belly, a little splotching here and there, but that's one. All right, and next up is another female. It's 100% head clown, also. No ghost in this one, just 100% head clown. And came from Poker Python as well. Like I said, go give them a follow. And this, honestly, man, back up a little bit, dude, on the camera. This might be the cleanest snake I've ever seen in my life. That's not like DG or nothing. Like, look how crazy clean this thing is, dude. Like, it's so clean, like it's insane. She's a runner too. Surprised I didn't get tagged.
Well, the head stamp is
pretty much non-existent.
Yeah.
But back up some again with the camera. Look how clean that is, man. Like, so clean. All the lines are super clean. Like around the alien heads. The whites come up nice. Like, it's so clean. See what I'm saying? Like, it's not all like gravelly looking, pixelated. Like, it's so clean. So big shout out to Poker Pythons, man. Like I said, go give them a follow. Check out what they got. They producing some heat over there, man. They got some nice little clown stuff they working with. Like I say, it's worth a check out, man. Go check them out one time. All right, and this right here is a little angry Arroyo.
Yeah.
In either raven or chocolate male.
You don't know what happened before this.
Just missed him take a strike at the camera.
Yeah.
I might get tagged. He is feisty.
He just almost bit him.
Big shout out to Ben from R&B Reptiles, man. Sent him a picture. He called me on the phone and was like, hey, let's talk about it. So he told me all about this thing, and it's definitely an Arroyo. And then there we go again. And then it's chocolate or raven. I think they're the same thing. Check out that belly. Super checkered. Got the flames. You keep trying to get him to strike. You got the flames and the blushing coming up. He's a feisty little dude. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to find a female because I like the supers. I like the Rios. So I'm gonna have to find a female and put them to him. But super dark, man. Super clean. Also, you can see like blushing on the spine. So that's how you know how dark he is, man. Like this little feisty dude. Have to handle him a bunch, get him out of this feisty mode, but. All right, on to the next one. All right, and this girl right here is actually one of my productions. What I'm thinking is maybe a firefly spot nose, but I'm thinking pastel spot nose the more I look at her. She only had one shed though, so I don't know. We'll see. Definitely spot nose though. You can see the highlight on the dorsal. It's a little bit lighter than everything else. Super dark in between. Nice blushed out head. And then she actually got some like cool little speckling down in there. Like inside the alien head. That's pretty cool. And some whites coming through. So I decided to hold her back. No yellow belly, no nothing in it. So I'm gonna have to do something, but you know, I'm gonna put this into the clown. So put the clown into the pastel and the spot nose. And then I have to throw yellow belly in there because you know what that does. But sweet little girl, man. Super cool, super calm. She was a feisty little thing too at first, but now she cool. So yeah, that's that one. All right, and up next we got this big girl right here. This is a 2019 trap production. Big shout out to the homeboy MJ. I think this was his 1,000 subscriber giveaway snake that I won from him, but smoky little girl, man. Look at the colors on there, B. Super nice. Smoky. Clean belly. Well, dirty down here, but it gets cleaner as it gets up towards the neck and the head. She being shot right now, but it gets cleaner up towards the neck and the head. I don't know if you can see it back there, but she's super thick, dude. She's a beast eater. Like, she also possible leopard and possible hypo. So I'll be trying to prove her out at least hypo and get some hypo GHI or some hypo leopard GHI stuff going. But I don't know, I think it might be something else in there because she got a lot of these like hooks and like weird patterns, holes. So, I don't know. Only way to find out for sure is to prove her out, you know? So, look at that smoky color, man. Insane. Let's get her down in the light and see if it shows up. Super dark too. Hold on, let me see if I can get her assisted.
Yeah, she does not want to stay still.
Super dark. She got some nice iridescence. You know what I mean? Smoky. I don't know. She might be a visual ghost, man, because that head looks like my ghost head. But we'll see. She'll be ready to breed like next year, I bet. So we'll keep y'all updated. And you want to talk about someone that's bright? Look at that color on that thing, man. That's a visual hypo. Look at the head on that compared to the head on that other girl, man. That's, I don't know. It's super like blushed out and ghostly looking, but look at that, man. Like highlighter yellow all around those alien heads. Super blushed out on the dorsal. Crazy bright still. People sleep on hypo, man. I was sleep on hypo till I saw this girl in person, and I was like, yeah, you know, gotta have her. So insane. Definitely gonna be putting that into some stuff, man. Like I said, I got that hypo clown girl over there, so she gonna be growing up. By that time, this girl should have given me a clutch, and I can, you know, I'm gonna put her to a visual clown, make some double heads, keep one of the boys, put him to that one, and then boom, we on and popping with some ghost clowns. Unless I find a nice, you know, visual clown head ghost or something like that, I might scoop one up. So, but she's starting to run too. But look at the little head stamp, little mini stamp on her. She got spooked. Let's see. Hold on. Come here. Come here. Little mini stamp. Oh, she's still. Let's see. There we go. Little mini stamp. Nothing major.
Oh, good.
Alright, so that's it, man. Planning for the future. You know what I mean? Want to get some of this ghost stuff into a lot of this other recessive stuff. I know double, triple recessives. That's going to be the future, so I might as well get a jump on it. Plus, I like what ghosts do. Like I said, I didn't know or pay attention to it too much till I actually got it in my hands and got to see what it looked like. So I'm excited about that and to see where that's going to go and what it look like, you know, in clown and pied and all this other stuff we got going on over here. So big shout out again to Poker Pythons, man. If you ain't, go check them out, man. They got some heat growing over there. Like I said, he low key, but he got some flame. Don't forget to hit the button, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let me know what you think. Till the next time, man. Y'all be easy. Peace.